Okay class. Just to let you all know that in about an hour from now, we are going to be having a fire drill.
Oh heck no. I am not going to deal with another one of those goddamn fire drills again. I am so freaking tired of it, Miss Kima. You know what? I am going to make silly noises when it goes off so I don't have to deal with the sound.
No Billy. You are not going to make silly noises during the fire drill because it will sound really silly and be inappropriate. And plus, everyone would make fun of you if you do that. So you are going to do the drill calmly by going outside like a strong 12-year-old man.
Alright, fine. I will be strong during the fire drill.
That's what I want to hear. Anyways guys, we are going to start our lesson by continuing on with English, where we are continuing reading Romeo and Juliet. So take out your books and turn to chapter 3. Okay class. It's time for math. Take out your review sheet for our test, which will be on dividing. That's it Billy. When the fire drill is over, you will be going straight to the principal's office when we get back inside the school.
But Miss Kima, I'm sorry. Can I have another chance please? Also the reason why I made those silly noises is because I didn't want to deal with walking everyone in the fire drill while being quiet, and I thought that it would be funny when I'm walking during the fire drill to prevent myself from getting scared from it.
No. I will not give you another chance. I gave you a few chances in the hallway to stop making those silly noises and you didn't. You also need to learn how to handle these fire alarms strongly by not screaming and skipping the fire drill. And not doing the wrong things during a fire drill, such as lowering the volume on the fire alarms, breaking the fire alarms and replacing the fire alarm sounds. Molly, your sister, told me everything that you did when you found out there was gonna be a fire drill. Alright guys. Time to go back inside. You all except for Billy, who will now go to the principal's office, did a good job.
Hello Billy. What brings you here in my office?
I was making silly noises during the fire drill that we just had while I was walking outside with my class and outside too.
Billy. You are not supposed to make silly noises during the fire drill. You are to do it quietly and calmly. That's it. You are suspended for 2 days. Go home right now while I call your parents.
Billy. We cannot believe that you were making silly noises during today's fire drill. You know that it's not appropriate to do that. That's it. You are grounded for 2.5 months. Go to your room right now.